Welcome, welcome. We're at it again here at Alley 26. I'm Shannon Healy, and today we're going to be mixing up a Bradsell Collins. We're really excited about our new Blackberry Syrup. It's part of our Southern Farm series. This particular blackberries were sourced through our friends at Botanist Barrel from Cedar Grove Blueberry Farm. The farm is called Blueberry Farm, but we got blackberries from them. Who knows? Anyway, they're local. The blackberries are delicious. We made some really amazing syrup out of it, and we're really proud of this Southern Farm series, which is a subset of all of our normal syrups. So we're making what we call a Bradsell Collins, as I said, and Dick Bradsell was a pioneering mixologist in the early 80s in London, and he made a Bramble, which is a blackberry liqueur cocktail that we're kind of riffing on for this Collins. Recipe can't be any easier. We're gonna take our syrup, like with all of our syrups, you have to kind of turn it over and give it a little shake. Shake it before you make it there. And we are going to pour 3/4 of an ounce of the syrup in there. You know, it smells great. It's got that kind of funky other notes that you expect in real fruit that isn't just blackberry flavor. And we're gonna do some fresh lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce, equal parts so far. And then gin, of course. We're gonna use a London dry gin. I'm reaching for Beefeater. There's 1.5 ounces, and another 1/2 ounce equals 2 ounces all day. So 2 ounces of gin, 3/4 of an ounce of blackberry syrup, and 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Grab a nice Collins glass. I like to keep them cold. That'll work just fine. A little soda water. You can use Topo Chico or a really cold, highly carbonated water. I would steer clear of just mineral water because it doesn't have enough bubbles. There we go. And then I'm gonna give this guy like a 10 count shake. Not a full long shake, but you know, just enough shake. I'm going to garnish that with a lemon wheel. The Bradsell Collins. Enjoy.